Hi friend, this is us. You're watching Mr. Uns channel on YouTube. In this video, we have some definition like vibration. What is vibration? One complete round trip of a vibrating body about its mean position is called one vibration. For example, this is our body. This is its mean position. And for example, it is going to its round trip. For example, it goes here and then it comes back. It goes and comes back. This is vibration, one vibration. One complete round trip of a vibrating body about its mean position is called one vibration. Next we have time period. The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time period. For example, this was one vibration. So how much time this body taken is our time period. Next we have frequency. The number of vibrations or cycles of a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency. It is reciprocal of time period. So frequency is related to time period and also with vibrations. So in 1 second, how many times this body vibrate is our frequency in 1 second. Okay. Amplitude. So amplitude, the maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side from its mean position is called as amplitude. So amplitude is about displacement, maximum displacement. For example, it is vibrating here, so maximum displacement it cover is amplitude of the body. Next we have example. Find the time period and frequency of a simple pendulum 1.0 meter long at a location where G is 10 meter per square. So now we are going for the formula. For example, we have given length is 1.0 meter and where G is 10. So we know the time period's formula 2 pi L over G. So now we are putting the values t is equal to 2 and pi is equal to 3.14 and 0 we have L 1.0 length and we have G 10 point. So after this we have this minimum of 2 seconds. Okay, the frequency of a simple this is our time period. So this is our time period for complete one vibration, 2 seconds. And for the frequency we know it is related to time period, reciprocal, so 1 over t. 1 over t we have 1.99 seconds, so this is 0.50 hertz frequency during this time. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.